In the fast-paced world of hospitality, efficiency and control over costs are paramount. Introducing TUCO ONline, the all-in-one solution that transforms your procurement processes, menu and recipe management, stock inventory, and much more. With TUCO ONline modular architecture, any operator of different size and complexity can benefit from a bespoke procure-to-pay solution. With TUCO ONline, you can now streamline your operations from automated purchase orders and invoicing to optimized pricing, precise stock management, comprehensive menu management, and ensure compliance with allergen and nutritional information. And now you can have full control over an often unmanaged cost through the laundry control module. Reduce administration time, automate processes, and achieve significant cost savings, all while maintaining the highest service standards for your suppliers. Make informed decisions with accurate, real-time reporting, giving you complete visibility and control over your operations. Join the thousands of sites across the UK and Ireland already maximizing their operations with TUCO ONline. Take the first step towards operational excellence and discover how TUCO ONline can transform your business today. TUCO ONline, the cloud-based software solution that gives you full visibility and control over your costs.